Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about Ice Block Expedition of 1959. In Ice Block Expedition of 1959 was a publicity stunt carried out by a Norwegian insulation material producer, Glasbad. Now formally it is known as Glava AS. They carried 3050 kgs of ice block in a truck from Arctic Circle region to equator and to a destination place called Libreville. Now we will know complete journey and expedition carried out for 27 days. This expedition all started by a challenge news in radio station called Radio Luxembourg. Was a famous radio station in those times. They announced a challenge to carry 3 tons of ice from Arctic Circle to equator with 2 conditions, that is, no refrigeration could be used, and for every kilogram of ice that remained upon arrival at the equator, the challenger would receive 100,000 francs, with equal to 16,000 in current currency. If trip were taken today in this time, the block of ice would have been worth $48 million. So anyone willing to attempt the challenge was dealing with a very pricey piece of ice. And Radio Luxembourg thought no one would attempt the challenge as it was an impossible task to transport block of ice in that high temperature regions like Sahara, and thought it would take many weeks and it is impossible to accomplish. But one man stepped up and accepted the challenge. That man was Bridger Natvik, the managing director of Norwegian insulation material company Glasbad. He was very confident that his company Glassbull Insulation could make them succeed in challenge. He assembled the team capable of doing the challenge. Natvik received a lot of attention, and Natvik finally called the radio station and accepted the challenge. But by listening to this ambitious towards challenge, the Radio Luxembourg brought back their offer because they were terrified by how much money they might lose. But Natvik decided to continue the challenge even though he could not win any money, but he and his company could potentially receive huge amount of publicity, and so the trip was ready to begin. Shell company provided the fuel and Scania company provided the truck. They were sponsors for main elements, and altogether sponsors from 8 countries financed the expedition, including Glasbad French Mother Company and Saint-Gobain Corporation. On February 22, 1959 at 9:15 am, the expedition left Mo i Rana. Responsibility for the expedition was given to Sivert Kleven, an engineer with a good instinct for public relations. The ice was taken from the Glacier Spartasen. The entire 3 block could not be carried out in a one go, so it was cut into 200 kg blocks with chainsaw machine, and it was carried to town center. There they were melted together to make a block of ice weighing 3050 kg. The block was placed in a special constructed iron container which was insulated with wood and glass wool. The container was placed on top of the truck that would carry it all the way to the equator, and even the van was also accompanied carrying equipments of 300 kg of medicines to Hospital of Lambaréné and Sweden with a film crew. They continued the expedition and made a long way journey. The first stop for the expedition was at Oslo. There they were greeted by a great ceremony at Studenterluden in front of the university. And when they reached Paris, the expedition was escorted by a police through the streets. In the expedition, they also went through a cargo to Algiers. In Algiers, a special crane had to be obtained to lift the truck weighing 16 tons, including ice, onto the shore. Finally, when it reached to the shore from the cargo, then it continued the journey and reached Sahara. In Sahara Desert, there were no roads in the desert. The truck was heavily loaded and not especially adapted to the condition. Truck got stuck into the desert sand. When the truck got stuck, the crew had to place steel plates underneath for traction and spent hours digging out the sand from the under the wheels. They faced many difficulties in the Sahara Desert, in which it consumed more and more hours in digging out the sand out under the wheel and by putting steel plates under the wheels while running. The expedition crew spent most of the nights in the oasis nearby the desert till morning, and they woke up in the morning and continued their journey. Finally, the expedition arrived at its final destination of Libreville on 21st March. After 27 days, the block of ice was found to weigh 2,714 kg, as it lost only 336 kg, that is 11% of ice, along the way. A French representative of a company met the crew in Libreville. The ice was cut up and divided between the citizens of Libreville, for whom this was a rare commodity. The expedition had been an enormous success both in accomplishing the goal and it had set out to accomplish by generating worldwide press coverage for company and its product. It gained the title the world's greatest publicity stunt, and it became the global news. The expedition crew, with the flight facilities, they fly back home, and the vehicles were brought back by freight. The company got more offers and deals after this expedition, and commemorate 50th anniversary of event in 2009, Glava AS made original documentary of this expedition. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.